us. Every time I pull my hat was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough.